Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how to add other login method on your Bumble app. First things first, make sure you have Bumble app installed on your device, then tap on it to open. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom left of your screen. Now click on the settings on the top right of your screen. Now look for security and privacy. Click on it. Tab on login methods. Here you can see the other login method. Click on add Facebook. This will take you to the Facebook page. To continue, click on continue. That's it. Now you have successfully added another login method on your Bumble app. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others.